money on my mind. Throw it up, watch it fall up from the sky. Throw it up, don't fall out. Throw it up, don't let it fall out. Hello guys, I hope you guys enjoy my music session. I kind of like it, but today's eyes will be a cloudy eyes tutorial. It's very trending on Instagram. First, I'm using my Pilouis base in the shade 5 to prime my lid, and I add a little bit, like 2 layers, because I wanted that I was gonna use a vibrant color, as you can see in the other eyes, which were the orange shade. And I like to like blend out with my finger in my inner corner eye part. Second, I went with the Pilouis base again, but I went with a shade lighter, which was the number 3. I added in the center and I slightly blended up because I didn't want it to be all the way under my brows because I hate that unconcealed eyebrow kind of look. And then I went inside my Be Perfect Cosmetic X Carnival palette with Stacey Emery. I used the color Late, which is this beautiful vibrant color. I just pat it. I didn't blend it. And then I go with this yellow shade from the palette. I think the name is Queen. I use it to blend out the orange. With this color, I pat and then I blend slowly because I want the color to look as pigmented. And then I go back and I add more orange because you know I wanted to have that strong vibrant orange. For my skin tone, I have to do all the above, my friend, to make sure the colors show and pop more. And then to create my cloud, I'm using this matte lingerie, I think from NYX. It's a white base. I got this idea from this other girl. I don't remember her name, but she had a blue cloudy eyes. And I just literally draw it like an upside down 3. And then I fade it away a little bit just to make it look like a little faded. And then I go back with my orange shade and I blend it back to have that gradient effect, like to look very like white and then orange and medium and stuff like that. And then for the clouds, advice, all of them are not gonna look the same because that's not what I was going for. I wanted my cloud to look different and very aesthetic because I didn't want all of them look the same, so I ship them different. Some I do a 2 and some I do a 3, upside down 3, and then I do the same thing over and over. And yeah, that's the same. I just do upside down 3 and sometimes I do upside down 2, and then I just go back with the orange shade and I blend the bottom part. I thought this was okay, but I wanted something more vivid room. I added a little bit of glitter and I just used my NYX glitter primer and I added anywhere. I didn't have a specific spot. I just added like random glitter everywhere. And this glitter, I cannot tell you the company name because I waited a year for it. So no shade, no tea. For lashes, I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL3. I love those lashes. Since I want the bottom part of my eyes, the lash line to look as vibrant, I go back before I put my foundation. I use the P. Louise base and then I add the color. It makes it look more vibrant. And I did not show you my foundation routine because I've shown it in all my video. And this time it was I mixed a new foundation. I didn't like it. So to remove my excess powder, I was baking. I used my Sephora Micro Smooth powder and I just pat it and then I slightly brush it out. And I wanted to have this orangey blush, so I went back with the color Late from the palette, the same orange I use in my eyes, and I added on my cheek very lightly. For highlight, I mixed the Purge Cosmetic highlighter in Glow Bunny and also Queen Beam. I did not show you the Queen Beam one, but I mixed these two together because I wanted a very ashy-ish, gold-ish looking highlight, and when I mixed these two, it gave me what I was looking for. And this look was super cute, super easy. And I'm lining my lips using the MAC Cosmetic Chestnut Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I use Color Rain liquid lipstick and Electric Rain. It's this vibrant, beautiful orangey color that look phenomenal on every skin tone. And I'm gonna set my face with ColourPop All Star setting spray. I don't know how I feel about it. It's whatever. And that's it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this creativity look, and it was inspired by Onali. I do not know who started it, but when I first saw it, it was from her Instagram. I'll put it on the description box. You guys can like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this cool, trendy Instagram cloudy eyes makeup look. I add a little twist, and see you guys in my next tutorial.